Counter march is a command which allows a flight to turn 180 degrees while remaining in column formation. It is not a precise movement, but it permits flexibility of movement in confined areas. Counter march can be called while marching or from a standstill. To perform counter march from a standstill, the flight commander calls forward march. The first element leader takes 5 paces and turns right. They take an appropriate number of paces across the front of the flight and make another right turn. The second element leader takes 3 paces and turns right. After an appropriate number of paces across the front of the flight, they execute another right turn. The third element leader takes 4 paces forward and turns left. After an appropriate number of paces across the front of the flight, they execute another left turn. When the counter march is executed properly, the third element will pass between the first and second elements. The guide takes 2 paces forward and turns left. After an appropriate number of paces, they execute another left turn. All flight members, besides the element leaders, match the paces and movements of the person in front of them. After completing the movements of counter march, all flight members regain dress and cover and immediately go to half steps until forward march is called. To do a counter march while marching, the command is given on the left foot. The movements are the same as from a standstill, except that each element leader takes 1 step less than before.